Okay guys, here I am in the teacher's corner here. Let's see if they brought anything new, guys. So we know about these magnetic hooks, and here are the spiral notebooks that come 3 in a pack. Then you have some of these stickers, maybe the colors change, and then you have some of these notepads, and these are nice. Well, this is a notebook. These are really pretty, guys. I'm liking them. They look like the laser cut. That's the mermaid. I don't want to knock these down, but they have this kind, the ice cream cone. Then they have this kind, follow your dreams. The mermaid tails, there's the feathers. That's the one that I thought was pretty. Then these are always here. These coffee notepads, and then you have the markers, so that's not new. The gemstones over there, you have the butterflies. You have some more of those pop-up stickers, and some of the lazy, these are cling window decorations. So I don't think that these things here are new. I think they've been here. Those are nice. Isn't that nice? I don't think I've ever seen those stickers. Skiing. And these are beautiful too, guys. And look, they have the, so guys, you have these stickers here. Then you have the pocket chart scheduler. That's pretty neat. Then you have the map, so we know about that. And then these are the wall borders. So they come in those. These come in colors. That's the marble one, and here's the purple. And those are the farm animals. So recognition awards. This one says, says Owl Star Student. That's really nice. Let's see. And then this one says great job. And then here they have some table and graphs, fractions. I think those might be new. So then they have these sight words and the word strips right here, and then they have the paper cutouts. So what is this? Desktop reward stickers. Those are nice. And then these are sharpeners. Wow, you're sharp, superstar, rock star, great job. I think this one here is new. Classroom word scatter. I don't think I've seen that. Then, you know, they have the map of the U.S. Then they have very great job. And yeah, I've showed that before. They have the foam dice. And here they have the recycle activity. I know I've showed this to you before, but this is pretty neat. Then this one here says great job. I think these are new. The tabletop rewards, great job, star student, team player. I don't think I remember showing you guys these before. Those are new. I think those are great. Then they have the stickers, and here's more reward stickers. And look at these guys, Dr. Seuss. Then they have, look, the sand timer. I don't remember showing that before. So they have the solar system mobile. Okay, and they have those tweezers. I think these tweezers are so funny. They're so huge. And here's some more sander in the green, and the pencils. These are kind of cute. They say super student on them. The reading, the I draw, the morning starters. Addition and subtraction over there, time and money. Addition and subtraction, even prep, the 3rd grade prep, test prep workbook. And the second, this is the 3rd grade one, and that's the 2nd grade one. And this is Nickelodeon shapes and colors. Addition and subtraction and basic math. Your scissors, your hooks, your paper clips, all of your essentials for working. And there you have your spiral notebooks up there. And the clipboards are so adorable, guys. Okay, look at this one. This is so cute. So that's really nice. So you have that, and then you have your erase boards over here. Then you even have your clip containers. You know, if you put a magnet behind these, you can stick them on the fridge, and they come in colors. That's gray and that blue and that pink. Then you have the matching containers here where you can keep your pencils and stuff like that. Your mailing accessories all along the bottom, and there's your coin stuff, your envelopes, and even your tape along the top. Over here you have your styrofoam and even your alphabets. Now these are, I haven't seen these here. I'm not sure if these are new, but I like that. I really like that. Then you have your regular you know, your letters and numbers. And then these stickers, you have these kind of stickers too, so that's pretty neat. Then over here, like I said, you have all of your notebooks and your journals and all of your markers and your spiral notebooks and stuff. Guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree, and I will see you guys in another video.